people, it's Fade to Black. Today I got something different for you, outside the gaming world. It's an unboxing review of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre LeatherFacee 1/6 scale by ThreeZero, not the 2000 version. 1974, the year of the hippie, cocaine. Looking at the box, it's like, for me, when someone puts a lot of effort into the box, you can already tell the figure gonna be dynamic. I mean, if you look, somebody looking at LeatherFacee coming at him with the chainsaw, red satin LeatherFacee, run. See on the right side, kind of basic, ThreeZero, Texas Chainsaw Massacre LeatherFacee in the red satin, And we got the same thing on the back, warnings, ThreeZero logo. On the left side, same thing. But I'm really digging this box, because I already know the figure gonna be off the chain. So let me get them out and we'll go over 'em. Off the jump, look at it. You get with the accessories, you get 4 hands. You get the hook that he picked them frail folks up and stick it in their back. You get the hammer with the blood, the famous chainsaw, and the butcher's roll with blood all over it. I'm kind of ready to pull that out. But they put the attention into the detail with the dirt looking grungy and whatnot, This is dope. Just a visual. Looking right now, I'm giving it a 10 off the jump. It's just, it's, I'm putting this up there, like, if not on the same level as Hot Toys, a tad bit over. But as we go along, we'll see. But I'm digging the accessories, the hammer, but that hook, I might have to buy just like a Barbie or something and put it on the hook. He got like a confused look on his face. I wish they would have had it. Let me get the info. Yeah, okay. See, I wish they would have had him looking straight forward. Instead, he looking up. Like, I don't know. Like, not sure. You see the grungy teeth. The mask. Mask is plastic, like a hard plastic. Wish they would have done that like in leather or something like that. That would have been dope. But they did it in a plastic that's made to look like leather. But if it would have actually been leather, it would have been dope. Look at his eyes, man. What the hell you looking at? Look at the detail on that. Like, that would have been dope. They didn't do the plastic hair. You got the strings on the side to hold the skin on. But I'm not sure about the metal pieces inside of the mask. Like, I don't remember seeing nothing. Like, these eyes just like, they fuck with me right now. I'm not sure what the hell he looking at. You got the tie and the dirt. Look, is this some type of paint? I'm not sure. Get him up there. Come on, man. Look at the pants. It's official, The dirt. I'm not sure how did they actually take the pants out and they took him outside and rubbed him in the dirt for real. I'm not sure, but it just looked like it fit, The veins in the arm, like, I'm not sure if that fat folk work out or whatever, but you got the bulging vein. I mean, it looks realistic. It's kind of off. The hands are kind of off from the color of the arms. Let me get this back in full height. I guess he could look like a deranged motherfucker just looking up in there, you know. Get the tie together, you know, nice tie, leather belt, you know. This is official. I'm impressed. This has like cotton felt or something like that. I'm not sure, but it stands out from the plastic like Hot Toys put on there. So I'm impressed with that. That's a major thing for me. You know, you got good head articulation. The arms, you know, it's that Fison type stuff, you know. But you got good movement in the arms. You know, it's actually a ball joint. You know. But it's good articulation on it. He does have an ab crunch. Okay. Okay. See if I can make him do a split. Oh, LeatherFacee with the nice articulation in the legs can actually make him do a flying jump kick. I do not like these boots, you know, like the tie is dope, you know. It's like a real like silk feeling tie. Like they actually when they set out to do this, it's like they actually set this shit in motion. Like they were trying to knock everybody else out the box. You know what I mean? Got the blood, more veins. Got the elbow joints. You know, just great motion in it. You know. So I wouldn't doubt that there's not too many things you can do, you know, as far as the posing go. Any type of action scene you could do with this, you know. Make them do the Spider-Man stance and hold the chainsaw in there, you know. But, you know, just feeling, you know, I don't worry about posing them, you know, with the ball joints and the Fison feel. You know, look at the chainsaw with the blood on it. You know, the detail in the actual chainsaw. Like I'm like really impressed. You know, really impressed. You know, this is dope, man. You got the spark plug, the on and off switch, even the pull string. I mean, this is dope. They could have did a little bit splatter on the blood. It looked like somebody just took a paintbrush and smacked it on there. I'm not too impressed with that. I think a little more detail could have been put in to the blood. Maybe some splatters, like on the robe, you know, the butcher's robe. You know, interchangeable hands. You can grab this hammer. It's bloody. Let me see if we get this bloody hammer in focus. Come on, baby. There you go. Again, it's like somebody just took a paintbrush and just dabbed it on there. And then the lint looked like somebody here that actually put. But it's right here. Like, you take people and hang them on it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get me like a Barbie or something. Cheap doll and just put it on there. Let's get to the robe. This is like. I'm really digging this, you know. Get this guy out the pack. Okay. So I'm thinking this is like what the actual real robes are made out of, the butcher's robe. I mean, it's very, oh man, this is like, this material, it's, I don't feel like any of this is cheap material on this action figure, man. I mean, it's like official butcher's robe material. Wow. And I'm digging this blood splat on there. Like they really like that's how they should have did the chainsaw, the hammer, you know. It's like a few layers on it. I mean, it fits him real well, you know? Like, I can't wait to put it on him and just do a couple of poses with him. But, you know, they got the blood splat on the tie. The pants feel like actual, like, what they make khaki pants out of. You know, this is, I'm just sitting here looking at this dude, man. I'm taking this all in right now. This is, I say this about a lot of action figures. With each one that I get and each one that I do a review on, I'm always saying, like, this is the best action figure. But this is, you know, this is like well up in my top three. ThreeZero knocked this out the box. I mean, with the articulation, you know, you don't get a stand, but you don't really need one. I mean, the joints are stiff. I mean, look at him standing right there, right? You know, he got the little slump over to the side, and he's still like on a spinning turntable, and he just kind of like he there. He's not tipping over. You know, I didn't put a lot of effort into trying to get him to stand straight, or put a lot of effort into trying to get him to work well. But it's, I mean, this belt is like some cheap shit. I wouldn't brag about that. You know, and then they got like these pillows on the inside of his stomach or inside the shirt to give that beer belly effect. But these boots are just, you know, the boots just like throw the whole thing off. It's like a Ken doll, you know, this dirt again. I'm really impressed with this dirt. Impressed by dirt. Damn. I need to be ashamed of myself. like a 5-year-old with mud, you know. But I'm just impressed. Like, I'm not sure if they airbrushed it on or, you know, did a dry brush with it, but it's really good, you know. You know, just looking at it, like they expect, you know, they wasted no time. They didn't look at you know, like cost of detail. Here we go with these damn boots again, man. I hate these boots. It's like a Ken doll boots. Got the ThreeZero logo on the bottom, but it's like that Barbie doll type plastic. Wonder if I can find some like real leather boots. I'm gonna have to look into that. You know, this dazed look, dude. You know. Even putting his head straight, he's still looking up in there. What the hell is you looking at, man? Like, what's up there? You know. But I'm gonna give him a little, and this hair again, like this. It's not the hard plastic. It's actual like felt. I'm not sure of the material, cotton. I don't know. But shout out to ThreeZero on this figure, man. I can't express enough. You know, it's just doing them on the turntable, man. Look at this dude, man. This is art in motion right here. This is, damn. I'm just like I'm at a standstill. I'm not kissing ass. I'm not trying to get, you know, ThreeZero to notice anything, but I'm just being honest. You know, my only real thing with it is the boots, you know, and that belt. But outside of that, 10 of 10. Don't forget to like, subscribe, as I will do a lot of unboxings. I have a lot to do. Till then, peace.